What is up? Hell of a day, man. Hell of a day. Yeah. Crazy. Man, the Dow is up 1293. Exactly what you was looking for if you was bullish. And it's not over though, but it's just it's a pleasant surprise. I mean, the market was down, 3,000 points last week. And it was not even a sign. It wasn't even a sign of going up. So you get a little up there like this, and it's like, whoo, thank you. And it's like, it seems like a lot, but it's not. In relation to what happened last week, it was terrible. No, it wasn't terrible. I mean, it's a start. I mean, the market last week was, so there's some positive things roaming around out there in the market. I guess, the Fed is getting ready to, they having a video conference or something? A possible worldwide collaboration of interest rates or whatever is going to happen. I don't know how it's going to help. I mean, no matter what they do, I guess we'll still be afraid to go outside. We'll still be buying all the water in Sam's Club and, things like that. So we'll see. But I think it does provide just a little bit of market stability, knowing that the Fed or the government has our back, but eventually it just may, kind of give it up, but here it is. I mean, there's last week. Look at that red candle. Look at that thing. And you can see where we were today. It was a gap up and it was basically a trending day for the most part. I got a little worried right in there. I thought we was rolling over for the close because the futures, if you was tracking the futures market, we was down like, whoa, I can't give you exact numbers. I think we was down 400 or 500 Dow points, and then we was up 500 points, and then we was down to down 200, and then we opened, I think, down, went up 200. It was a wild day, and that's what the VIX, a VIX of 50 at the time is going to do. Now it's, where are we at with the VIX? 33, and that's high. Oh, goodness gracious. I mean, it was only down 16%, so with a rally of 1,200 points, and the VIX is down only 16%, we still got a lot of work to do, but today was definitely a good start, so I made pretty good money. What am I doing? I guess I was trying to show the VIX. Let me see. Let's pull up the hourly. I got all these lines. Where's my hourly? It's gone. There it is. I guess I am on the hourly. I don't like the hourly. The daily. Yeah, so we still up here. Way the hell up there. Look at it. All the way to the right. And, but we're coming down. That's a good sign. So these are good signs. And with the VIX being 33, tomorrow could easily be down 1,000 points. Easy. So at least we got to bounce back. And let's just hope and we hold on for, I'm hoping, a few weeks. At least this week. Because I got some trades on that. It's going to expire Friday. That's going to make me money. So I was in the Amazon, and Amazon was up 70.3, 3.73 today percent. And when Amazon is up, I made the money, man. I made the money. I'm going to show you right here. I'm not going to put, I decided I'm not going to put any more gains or losses on the stories. All right. I'm going to stop that. But, you could if you are following, because I'm always in that Amazon trade, and if it's going up for the most part, I made some money. But I'll put it on here. Well, here we go, monitor, and you can see there it is. That's what I made for today, and you can see the stocks that I own. I just got Amazon, and that was most of it. GE, right? And I lost. I sold. I think I got out of those positions. Once I bought those positions, I bought some calls. It was straight down. From the moment I top ticked it, it's crazy. The Qs, I can't believe I lost money because I had a bullish position on and I was selling them as soon as the market opened. And it's saying I lost $42. I'm not sure if that's accurate, but I guess it is. I think volatility got me. It was, coming out. Anyway, in the SPX, I lost $10, and I put a quick trade on right at the end of the day, right here. See, it was coming down. That's not the day. Let me go just pull up. We can use Amazon because Amazon was giving it up too. And there's the 30 minutes. Here's the 15 minutes. And right there, it was just coming down. And I was like, oh no, we're rolling over. I got to protect these positions. So I bought a quick put. I didn't need it. Once it went back over 3,000 the S&P, I just sold. I was like, you know what? I'm going down with the ship. Okay, we was down a lot. I just don't think we're gonna. And it was a good move by me when it was moving so fast that when I bought that put, that put was up like $180. And by the time I got rid of it, I was down $10. I mean, that's how fast it was moving at then. And as soon as I bought it, I wasn't quite paying attention, but I saw the market going down. I pulled up the screen. I was like, oh, damn, that doesn't look good. So I was like, let me buy something. And I wound up buying a put, man. And I sold it within 5 minutes. I was like, I bought the bottom. And sure enough, it just, to the moon after that. I don't know what was going on, but I thought it was just going to give it up at the end of the day. So I wanted to do a Tesla trade. Tesla was kind of, that's a nice, the stocks are looking pretty good, the bullish stocks. And yeah, I want to say, if you remember Friday, we talked about it. My whole Saturday video, I think it was my Saturday video, where I said I'm buying. And I showed you everything I bought. It was a great buys. Those were up big time today. And I'm glad I kind of took the hard trade and decided to just go ahead and get in. And I didn't get in fully. I kind of saved some money for if it drops some more, because I didn't know if that was going to be the bottom. But it just felt like, oh man, we down 3,000 points. Let me just get in and dip my toe in. I mean, it can't just go straight. It's not going to go straight down forever. I mean, sure, we'll be at zero at that rate. We'll be at zero in about 2 weeks. So I was like, let me get in. And but it looks like I didn't get to put on any more positions, but I'm good with that because the market is going up. So I wanted to know how you guys did. My stream is looking terrible. I guess I got to change my latency. I want to know how you guys did. You can put it in that little box down there. What was you trading? Now, I could have made lots more. And generally, I do on days like this, because I just feel that bullish thing. And, Amazon is my go-to. The options were way too expensive. I just couldn't do it. And the bid ask was even wide. I just like, I can't do it, And so I sold. So instead, I sold some put spreads about the 40 strike. And I bought a call spread for the God damn it. Let me see. The 1897 to the 1922. I think 22 and a half. I bought that call spread, and and I sold puts, and then I did a diagonal. Okay, so and that's what's kind of making me the money. The volatility is not quite being sucked out like I wanted it to be. As you see, the VIX is still 33, but hopefully we don't get any kind of decline over the next couple of days, and it'll start coming out of there. And I'll probably get out early just because it's that kind of week. My trades come with low volatility. I'm a low volatility trader. People that trade options, sell options, love volatility. I don't know how you do it because I suck at it. Volatility is high because stocks are going to move, and if you're selling way out of the money puts or way out of the money calls, the premium is high. That means it could get there. It can get there. That's why it's high. So you go ahead and you get that dollar, at the 10 delta, 50 cents, whatever is out there, and tomorrow or in an hour, the stock price could be there. And then you kind of messed up that position. So that's what happens to me. So I'm just not good at that, A low VIX kind of tells me that stocks are going to do what they do. If it's trending up, it's going to continue to trend up. If it's trending down, it's going to continue to trend down. That's what I like. If it's volatile, high VIX, that means it's telling me it's about to go all over the place. So anyway, that's what's up. I had a good day. Let's see what tomorrow shakes out. Of course, I don't think we're out of the water. Like I said, we could be down 1,000 points tomorrow. I hear there was 5 deaths, I think, in Seattle. Seattle's got a little problem. They got a problem up there. Hopefully they could handle it. But yeah, so we'll see. I think everything is still right now. It's focusing on the Fed to see what it's going to do. But once that situation is taken care of, it's going to focus right on that virus again. And so hopefully they're getting answers, getting solutions. They're making a plan. They know what they're going to do. And I think that's what's going to stabilize the market. I think the market is starting to accept, though, that there may be some deaths, just as long as the ratio stays low. I think nothing's crazy. But I don't know. We started out Saturday with 1 death. I think Sunday was 2, and then now it's 5. It's like we're coming all over the place. So anyway, that's what's up, man. Thanks for watching. I just wanted to give you an update on what I was doing. I didn't trade today. I didn't get on, like I said, the YouTube stories showing profits, but it was pretty good. Pretty good. The other accounts, remember I always do 3 accounts. Same thing on that side. So what I made 2 here. Yeah, I got about the same and even then some on the other 2 accounts. So yeah, let's try to hold on to that. Let's try not to give that back to the markets, So let me see. Okay, yeah, normally see that box underneath my chart. If you were to kind of comment, it goes right there. Then I can read it. I can read it. Here, let me show you. I'm going to type something. I'm going to type, hey, what's up? And then it pops in down there. It's got like, you see how I said that? It's got like a low. Yeah, I need to fix that. So yeah, it pops in down there, a little low. I'm kind of like 10 seconds before you see it. I already said it 10 seconds ago. Anyway, so thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. I hope you did well. Don't hang on. You know what I mean? Let's, we was way oversold. I don't think it's time to go back bearish quite yet. Pull up the hourly real quick. Maybe a 4-hour. Yeah, it was the top. Let's see something. Let's pull up a Fibonacci real quick. Damn. Yeah, 61.8 is at approximately, because I didn't draw them that good. 31.88. The 50% is 31.24. So possibly in there, we're going to come across some kind of resistance, slow down, and now that I'm looking at that, I'll go ahead and probably exit my positions if we get up there. But yeah, so this is kind of normal, right, for a pullback. It's not saying we're getting ready to go to all-time highs. It's just a snap back. The snap back to the revert. You know what I'm saying? Pull that rubber band effect, snap back to the mean for the most part, and that's what it's kind of doing. And then maybe it'll continue. A nice crossover on the 9 and 20 moving averages. That's the blue and purple. That's the ones that I like to use. Some people do the 9 and 50, the 310, all that stuff. Fine. There's no secret sauce. There's none. Find what works for you and use it. Notice I don't have the 50 up here. The 50 and the 200 is pretty important, but I don't have it up there. It doesn't really work for me, This is what works for me. And you can see that crossover right there. See how they crossed over? MACD is up. Damn, starting, at least on the hourly chart, the RSI is oversold. But it's showing that we're going higher just by looking at this. And you can see the action, how we kind of came up. We went sideways, little base action, and then we're getting ready to go up. So looking at my charts, tomorrow we gapping up. All right, so thanks for watching. If you kind of missed it, just go ahead and hit the replay and definitely hit the bell. You know the procedure, because when I go live, that's how you know about it. And I look forward to your participation, even in your comments. So if you didn't participate here, put it in the comments. We talk about it tomorrow in the next video, or even in the comments. All right, so thanks for watching. I'm Dre. Dre Trades on Twitter. Dre Trades on Instagram. YouTube is This Is Dre. I appreciate everyone for checking me out. Thanks for watching, y'all. Peace. Now I must figure how to end it. And I think by pressing this button right